Hello YouTube, this is Data Mechanic and I'm back with another video. Today I will be changing oil pressure switch on a 2002 GMC ENVOY 4.2. Alright, so we're gonna have to go underneath the car to do this job. So I have my jack set up with jack stands for safety. I have them on the main beam running from forward to back. Of course, I have it set up in the front of the vehicle because we're working on the front end. Whenever I'm changing any sensors, I like to disconnect the battery. In this case, I'm taking off the negative terminal and setting it to the side. I have an 1/16 deep socket, and that's going to set in like that, and that's how you're going to get the old one off, and that's how you're going to get the new one in. All right, you don't normally have to remove the tire, but I removed it just so for video purposes so you can see clearly. But this is your oil filter on the passenger side of the engine, and right above it is the switch that we'll be changing right there. So it's very easy to see. Oil filter, and that's the oil pressure switch right there. So I can go ahead now, matter of fact, and unplug it. So now it's unplugged. I can put my, now how I'm gonna do it is I have my ratchet set up right here. I'm gonna go from here and get that on there, and that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that a counterclockwise turn. I'm gonna need both hands for it, so I'll be right back. You also want to put something underneath the oil filter to catch any oil that falls once removing the sensor. All right, once it's broken, and I can take the socket off now. And that's it. So we have our old part. You can set it next to the new part, compare. The new part is all ready to go. So just like that. I've already wiped off the surface, but it's going to go in. This one. I have to get a shorter handle ratchet so I can get more swing, but it's pretty much snug now all the way clockwise. So that's the end of the installment. Now I can go ahead and plug the harness back in. All right, let's get that back in there. And that's the harness. Don't forget to reattach your negative battery terminal. And if you took your tire off like I did, just go ahead and put your tire back on, and that will complete the job. And that is it, YouTube. That is how you change your oil pressure switch on a 2002 GMC ENVOY. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. If I missed any steps or anything I could have done better, let me know. I'll be making some more videos and posting some more soon, so stay tuned for that. This is David Mechanic. Stay tuned.